Hello everyone, today I will show you how to stop or turn off Autofit to text in text box in Google Spreadsheet. Open your spreadsheet, I will stop Autofit this text. Click on this three dot option, now select edit option. This text box now auto-fitted. If you I want to increase this text box, say this text now auto-fitted and say this, you cannot increase. Now let's stop this auto fit. Click this option and here you will find this do not auto fit option. Now you can increase the text box and decrease as you like. See this. Also let's stop this text box auto fit. Click here and select do not auto fit and now increase and decrease your text box size as you like. You can increase or decrease custom your text box if you stop this auto fit option. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.